Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this neon rainbow gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for the gradient today are the Starrily Noble Neons. The yellow is Radon, the orange is Neon, the pink is Helium, the purple is Argon, the blue is Xenon, and the green is Crypton. I'm going to be using Holo Not Milky White as a base for them and topping them with scattered Holo. For my accent nails, I'm going to be using Holo Electrostatic, and that's what I'll be stamping with as well. And once I have this applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex. I'm going to be adding a layer of top coat so that the white doesn't come up at all when I sponge, and just for the accent nails in general. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. I have a makeup sponge and I'm going to start applying the colors. Each one needs to be a pretty narrow band in order for all 6 of them to fit on the sponge. And once I have them applied, I'm going to start sponging on my nails. For my stamping, I'm going to be using this corner image on the What's Up Nails B015 plate, and I'm going to be applying Electrostatic to the plate. Then I'll be scraping and stamping the image on the accent nails. Finally, I'm going to finish off the design with top coat, and again, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. It's very close to my original inspiration, and with the exception of a bit of polish surgery on some of the stamping, the whole process went very smoothly. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate all the different holo in this manicure. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, including that polish surgery, that's up over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.